Welcome to AIOPEN586. Do you want to create incredible videos, but worry about the time and effort it takes to edit them? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll explore the best AI-powered video editing tools that save you time, boost your productivity, and help you create professional-grade videos effortlessly. Let's get started. Let's start with Adobe Premiere Pro, a leading tool integrated with AI Sensei to optimize your editing workflow. Auto Scene Edit. Detection. AI identifies and trims unnecessary clips automatically. Smart Audio Balancing. It balances background music with voiceovers seamlessly. Color Grading. AI quickly syncs consistent color tones across your video. Apple brings its magic with Final Cut Pro and the Smart Conform feature. Automatic Resizing. Easily adapt video dimensions for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Smart Effects. AI applies smooth transition effects effortlessly. Runway AI is a fantastic choice for quick and easy edits. Instant background removal. Remove backgrounds in seconds without a green screen. Special effects. AI adds unique effects like blurring and light adjustments with ease. Descript takes video editing to a whole new level. Text-based editing. Simply edit the text transcript and AI adjusts the video accordingly. Overdub. AI can recreate your voice to add new voiceovers without re-recording. Capwing is the perfect tool for social media content creators. Diverse Templates AI provides ready-to-use templates for various platforms. Auto Subtitles. Generate subtitles in minutes with AI's speech recognition. As you can see, AI doesn't just make video editing faster. It unlocks limitless creative possibilities. Are you ready to try these tools? Let us know in the comments. Which tool do you like the most? Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video on AIOPEN586. Thank you for watching, and see you next time as we continue exploring the wonders of technology. Ends with the channel logo and tagline. AIOPEN586, empowering creativity with AI.